Let me explain you retouching tools in Photoshop. Let me first tell you Spot Healing Brush tool. Open an image file. Select the Spot Healing Brush tool. Choose the brush size from the options bar. Click and drag over the spots to get it repaired. Okay, note, Healing Brush tool also works in a similar manner. The only difference between Spot Healing Brush tool and Healing Brush tool is that in the latter, you have to define a source point and then paint over an imperfection. Press Alt key and click on the image to define a source point. Patch tool. Right-click on the Spot Healing Brush tool and select the Patch tool from the Tools panel. In the Options bar, click on the drop-down list adjacent to the Patch option and choose the Content-Aware Patch Mode from the displayed list. Drag a line with the Patch tool around the part of the image to be replaced. Now drag the selection over the area from which you want to generate a fill form. Content-Aware Move tool. Right-click on the Spot Healing Brush tool and select the Content-Aware Move tool from the Tools panel. Drag the mouse pointer to select the area that is to be moved. Now click and drag the selected area to a different location. Here we have selected the cup. You will observe that the hole which is left behind gets filled with the matching elements from the surroundings. Clone Stamp tool. Open an image and select the Clone Stamp tool. Set the brush type, change its size or hardness, select the blend mode of your choice, set the opacity for stroke and other options for the tool in the options bar. To define a sampling source, hold down the Alt key. The cursor shape changes to the target symbol. Click on the area of the flower image to be cloned. Click and drag along the area where the cloned image is to be created. While you drag, a plus sign appears on the original flower image while a corresponding circle appears on the cloned image. Save the image and close it. Let me give you a tip. The Pattern Stamp tool allows you to fill an area with a selected pattern. It works quite similar to Clone Stamp tool, but the only difference is that after defining the appropriate options in the options bar and selecting the pattern from the pattern picker, you do not have to select the source point in the image. Place the pointer inside the area to be painted with pattern and drag the mouse. Blur tool. Open any image in Photoshop. Click on the Blur tool and select the desired brush size and style from the brush preset picker. Specify the effects mode and set the strength for stroke from the options bar. Drag the mouse pointer over the area that you want to blur.